Hello, what's up guys, I am Ariovit and welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to have black background on YouTube. To start, you may leave like and subscribe and write a comment. Okay, I will show you two methods. Two methods is for login humans. You must click in the avatar and later click in the here where is moon, see, and you have black and light. Okay, I click black and as you can see it's working, and if you want you must click bright, you must click bright. That's all. Okay, and now I will show you methods for not login people. Click this, and here you have settings, and again you have here moon, click, and you have light and dark, and that was light, dark. Okay. That's all. Thanks for watching. You write a comment, share to others. Bye bye and see you next time.